Tech Wars, Business Opportunities for AI Startups in Smart Cities. Here are some business ideas for AI startups in smart cities. AI-powered smart parking solutions that help drivers find available parking spaces in congested urban areas, reducing time and frustration. AI-driven energy optimization systems that analyze energy consumption patterns and suggest efficiency measures for businesses in smart cities, reducing costs and environmental impact. Smart waste management platforms that utilize AI to optimize waste collection routes and schedules, enabling businesses to improve sustainability efforts and reduce operational costs. AI-based predictive maintenance services that provide real-time monitoring and analysis of infrastructure and equipment, enabling businesses to proactively address maintenance needs and minimize downtime. Smart retail analytics platforms that leverage AI to analyze customer behavior, preferences, and trends, helping businesses optimize inventory, personalize marketing campaigns, and enhance customer experiences. AI-powered security systems that utilize advanced video analytics and machine learning algorithms to detect and prevent crime, enhancing safety for businesses operating in smart cities. AI-enabled urban farming solutions that leverage data analysis and automation to optimize crop yields, reduce water usage, and improve sustainability for agricultural businesses in urban settings. Smart logistics and delivery platforms that utilize AI algorithms to optimize routes, streamline operations, and enhance last-mile delivery for businesses operating in smart cities. AI-powered customer service chatbots and virtual assistants that provide 24/7 support, personalized recommendations, and efficient responses to customer inquiries, enabling businesses to enhance customer satisfaction and scale their support operations. AI-driven data analytics platforms that help businesses in smart cities harness the power of big data, gain actionable insights, and make data-driven decisions for improved performance, efficiency, and competitiveness. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.